How to convert your Roblox credit into Robux. First, log in on browser, open Chrome or any browser, and then go to roblox.com/redeem. Then log into the Roblox account where you redeemed your gift card or have credit. This process cannot be done in the Roblox mobile app or on consoles. Then access your credit balance. After logging in, look for your available credit underneath the redeem section. If you have credit, you can see options like Get Robux or Convert Credit to Robux. The button you see depends on your balance. Convert Credit into Robux. If you see Convert Credit to Robux, click on it, then review the confirmation screen, and then select Buy or Convert to Robux to complete the process. If you have enough credit for a Robux package or premium, you'll see those options instead. Select the package you want and then use your credit as the payment method. Then check your Robux balance, refresh the page, or navigate to your Robux balance to see your updated amount after conversion. Tips is that only credits from gift cards can be converted. Promo credits or other balances may not be eligible. If you don't see the option, ensure you're using a browser, not the app. Subscribe.